What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Cheri from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm gonna start with drawing a curved line across for the top of her head. And on the right side here, I'm gonna draw a curved line down to the cheek. And I'm gonna turn it back in at the lower point right there. And I'm gonna copy the same thing on the right side. Now below her head, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. Now going back to the top of her head, I'm gonna take a point at the side right here and draw a circle. And we're gonna draw another circle inside of that. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. Now in the middle of her ear, I'm gonna draw her hair with a curved line down from the corner and then a sharp turn back up and a sharp turn back down. I'm gonna repeat that for another 2 times and end it on the left side. I'm gonna draw an oval shape in the middle of her face at the lower point right here. And then I'm gonna draw another smaller oval inside of that. And I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Now below the nose, I'm gonna draw a curved line for her mouth. And we're gonna slightly thicken that up. Now for her eye, I'm gonna draw in a tilted oval at this corner. Like that. And we're gonna thicken the upper part of the eye. Now at the right corner of the eye, I'm gonna draw her eyelashes with a curved line out, and I'm gonna thicken that as well. Now at the lower right corner of the eye, I'm gonna draw a circular shape right there, and we're gonna fill that in with black color. Above the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line for her eyebrow right there, and we're gonna draw another curved line above that, like that. I'm gonna copy the whole eye and the eyebrow on the left side as well. Now below the head at the side, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here. And at the bottom point, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. Now for her arms, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from this point and a semicircle turn at the tip and back to the side of her outfit. Now we're gonna copy the same thing on the right side, and below the outfit I'm gonna take this point at the side and draw a semicircle line, and then I'm gonna draw a line downwards and a semicircle turn to the right and back up at the center, and in between the legs I'm gonna draw across a curved line. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the leg on the right side as well.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.